Relate na relate ang magkaibigan na sina Gia and Alain nang manood ng concert ni Maki and Yeng, ang Roller Coaster Middle East Tour Concert na inorganisa ng ABS-CBN The Filipino Channel.
Hindi ko siya ini-expect na ganito siya kasaya. Nung naririnig ko na siya talaga sa Pilipinas, kaso po, iba pa rin yung live pag naririnig ko na yung kanta. At saka iba din yung vibe niya. Masasabi ko lang, Maki, galing mo. Iuwi kita! Masumbong!
Lagi ko siyang pinakikinggan. Tsaka yung mga kanta niya is parang kanta talaga ng buhay ko. Kaya mix emotion, magana yung mata ko. And yun, thank you po kasi binigyan niyo ko yung pagkakataon na mag-message sa kanya. Ang sasabihin ko sa kanya, i-jojowain.
Yes, we're really grateful to those who supported us, not just here in Dubai, but also in Qatar, because the first leg happened in Qatar last Friday, no? It was a success.
Nakarelate din si Iya na sobrang nag-enjoy, lalo na nang marinig ang sikat na kanta ni Maki, ang Dilaw.
I really enjoyed it. Actually, I got the tickets very last minute, and I'm glad I got it because I really enjoyed it a lot. And the song that I looked forward to most was Dilaw. It's because Dilaw is a very popular song. It also is very like heartwarming. Like, I think I can relate where he said that he found his Dilaw, and my Dilaw is my family, and yeah, I can relate to the song.
Sumikat ang R&B singer and songwriter na si Maki o Ralph William Datuon na nag-viral ang kanyang kantang Saan and Bakit noong September 22, 2023.
Napaka-solid na mga performances, lalo na may bonus pa tayo na Yeng Constantino. And thank you so much for bringing home to us Filipino here away from home.
Grabe yung suporta ng mga tao. Sobrang tuwan-tuwa kami for the young ones, no? They came out. First time that we've seen this kind of a crowd, a younger audience for Dubai, no? So thank you. We're really grateful for their support, not just for the concert, but especially to Maki and Yeng who performed tonight.
Lalong nagpasaya sa mga manonood ng kantahin ni Yeng Constantino ang kanyang all-time hit song na Hawak Kamay.
She's one of my favorites OPM singers, and my favorite song from hers was Siguro, and I was so happy when they played it first.
Grabe, sulit na sulit ang binayaran namin. Saka sa mga followers dyan ni Maki, sa mga upcoming events ni Maki, suportahan nyo na at hindi kayo magsisisi.
Muling magpapasaya ang ABS-CBN TFC para sa mga kapamilya sa Middle East sa susunod na taon. Kung kaya't inaanyayahan nila ang mga kababayan.
First big event that will happen next year is on February 8. This is our yearly Barrio Fiesta dito sa Dubai. Zabil Park, that's a Sunday, so come join us. We have prepared so many artists, not just artists, no, but a celebration of community and their talent. So please come and join us.
Maraming pasabog ang naghihintay sa gaganapin na Barrio Fiesta sa susunod na taon, kung kaya't umaasa sila na muli silang susuportahan ng mga Pinoy dito. Para sa The Pinoy News Channel, Raymart Magtoto Acuña, Dubai, UAE.